Do you DIY running your business on the entrepreneurial operating system? As a self-implementer, at some point, you've probably thought, I can't figure out how to make this tool work, or I don't understand this concept, or I wonder if there's a tool to help me do this in my business. Have you ever wished you could just ask someone if you're doing things right? EOS is here to help. I'm Mark O'Donnell, visionary here at EOS Worldwide, and today we're announcing our first ever fully virtual self-implementer workshop. And you're invited, so join us as we work with DIYers like yourself around the world to just get better, faster, and stronger at running your organization on EOS. The Self-Implementer Workshop is for leaders in companies already running on EOS on their own. It's designed to improve your EOS DIY game so you can get even more from your business than you were before. We've created a full day workshop with virtual sessions with experts ready to help you improve your use of foundational tools, gain access to information and teachings you can't find on your own, and interact with other business leaders just like you. When you DIY, you learn by doing, like we all learn. So don't expect the Self-Implementer Workshop to be a day of boring, passive lectures, page turning, nothing like that. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and dig in and do some real work. In intimate breakout sessions, EOS Implementers will lead you through deep dives and reviews of your foundational tools, your EOS tools, your accountability chart, your rocks, your meeting pulse, your scorecard, your VTO. And then afterward, we'll conclude with a group IDS session. So all of your questions that you have about running your business on EOS, you got to bring all those there. We can IDS business issues, you name it, bring it all there, and we'll help you out. So bring your current tools, bring your questions, your issues, come ready to work. Expect a hands-on training that is simple and practical with some advice that you can put into action right away. So you'll collaborate with other companies, DIYing EOS, and help each other get stronger during brainstorming and troubleshooting discussions. So join us on November 10th for the Self-Implementer Workshop and start running better, faster, and stronger DIYing EOS. We'll see ya.